everybody. Hope there's no static this time because I yelled several times for this mic to work in order to hear me, and there's just still a lot of static, or my voice sounds really low. Even if I'm talking really loud, I can't talk really loud right now because it started to hurt my throat. So oh my god. I never thought that it would be so difficult to do this. Like my other videos, there was no problem recording anything, like recording my voice, but all of a sudden the mic wants to have a bunch of static in the background. You can really hear the static if you put on headphones, because I did upload this video yesterday because the static was, you didn't really hear it, and I had like little low music in the background, but then it sounded fine, but then when I listen. But I'm gonna test out the different colors, and they also have stands. Like, no, it sounds like there's some demon talking behind me. So I think what I'll do, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna just have no audio here, like only music, and I'll just put a bunch of words on the screen. But I don't know what's wrong with my microphone. I barely even use it, so I don't know what happened. And I take good care of my stuff. I'm sorry, but my throat's hurting, so I should stop talking now. If there's static in this too, I'm gonna be really pissed off. But oh, my throat hurts. This is supposed to be so simple, but everything was edited. Just have to do a voiceover, because when I use OBS, you could barely hear me, like, but you heard if I coughed or sneezed. Like, what sense does that make? But I fixed that. I don't know what's happening. I gotta fix it, but my voice is tired, so I need to upload the right thing. I'm gonna end this audio here. Voiceover here. I don't know how it's gonna sound, but if it sounds bad, you're not gonna be like even more frustrated. But I'm gonna just stop and just do a full like no voiceover whatsoever. Like, I just wanted to do videos other than drawing videos. Like, I want to do tutorials and like show different features of different apps on computers, like with Cyberlink or any like Adobe program I use, mostly Illustrator. I want to do a tutorial on even like Muse, or even using Adobe Portfolio. Like, I want to do a lot of tutorials, but I can't do it if the mic's not working. Like, what sense does that make? I'm gonna stop talking now, and I will hopefully be able to talk to you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Hey. 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 Okay. Stop sounding like designer. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So take care, okay? Bye.